Biodiversity is a variety of living things in a community. For example, the desert can only sustain a small biodiversity as most living things can't even live in it. A community with a large amount of different species are more likely to not be disturbed by environmental changes. There are so many reasons why biodiversity sustains and keeps the ecosystem functioning. For example, when a weed invades a huge community, it is much harder for the weed to be superior, mainly because of the huge amount of species. A desert is an area or region that gets very little rainfall due to the heat and can only support little vegetation, plant life, and wildlife. Most of these animals have adapted to having weeks without food and water. However, humans can have an impact on the desert, like what happened when Las Vegas was built. It would have killed a lot of insects, plants, and rodents that live underground. The biodiversity of the desert is small, which means it has a small community, and it would be easier for the weed to become superior. Some of the threats to the desert is global warming caused by causing droughts, wildfires, and oil gas productions, which can disturb wildlife such as rodents and other sensitive wildlife. Basically, the biodiversity of the desert is very small. Its future is just going to be like that because obviously they can't sustain a lot of animals there, and also most of the animals who have lived there for a very long time have adapted to not having food and water. So it's basically the biodiversity is just going to stay the same as a small community. So yeah, thanks guys.